Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is boring. It's just cotton balls, but there are 100 cotton balls in here, and I use these to sop up the wax that's in my wax warmer. So anyway, that's what I got these for. The next things that I got are these socks, and if you've been, subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that I am obsessed with socks. So I found these, and these are so stinking cute. So this first set of socks is, look, they have little corgis on there, and those are so cute. I just love corgis. But my daughter, she really likes corgis too. So I got this for her. And then the other pair is just gray and white polka dots. So those are really cute. The next pair that I got is also for my daughter. She loves pandas. So these have little panda bears on there, and they look like they're wearing little birthday hats or something. But I don't know. They're so cute. And their little bellies are like real fuzzy, soft feeling. So these are really cute. And then the back ones are just the black and white striped. And then the pair that I got for myself, I couldn't resist. But these, would you just look at that? It is pumpkin pie. And it looks like this is probably like a pumpkin, maybe a pumpkin spice latte or a cappuccino. And then there's a little mug there. Oh my goodness, so cute. So anyway, I got that for myself. And then the other pair is gray and white striped. The next thing that I found is by Ego Tools, and they're the Color Perfecting Minis. It says to pair with color correcting concealers, which I don't have any color correcting concealers, but I went ahead and grabbed one of these. And now Ego Tools is a name brand. You can purchase it at Walmart. I'd say you could probably purchase it at Target too. I'm not real sure. But anyway, grabbed one of those. The next thing that I found is by Hard Candy, and it's the Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color. And so it's the liquid lipstick. And this is the only color that they had, but it's really pretty. So I'm hoping that it looks good on me. If not, I'll find somebody to give it to. The next thing that I found is also by Hard Candy. It says Hard Candy Glow All the Way. And it is Glow All the Way Baked Bronzer. It's in the color Tiki, number 129. So, and Hard Candy is a name brand. You can get it at Walmart. And then the back says 129 Tiki. And then I also found the Hard Candy Glow All the Way. This is the Blush Crush Baked Blush, and it's in the shade Honeymoon, number 127. So this one is really, really pretty. I really like that. And let's see, the back is 127. So anyway, I was excited to find that because, I mean, these are name brand too. You can get these at Walmart. The next thing that I got is, it's a non-slip rug underlay. And I didn't get this for a rug. I do like to make wreaths, and I have a wreath that I'm planning on making that I've never made before, but it's a flower wreath. And anyway, I was going to get this to put in the center of it to hold the center of the flower. So anyway, I just went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next thing that I picked up is this reindeer moss by Floral Garden. And this is different, I feel like. I feel like it looks different than what it normally does, being reindeer moss, but I don't know. I mean, I might be wrong. It may not be any different than what the reindeer moss they usually sell. But for some reason, to me, this looks different. So anyway, I grabbed one of those. The next thing that I got, they were just setting these out, and I couldn't believe it because these go for quite a bit if you get them at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But it's the succulent pick, and it's the Simple Style brand, which is, I believe, Walmart brand. But this thing is huge. It's so big. Like, there's my hand. It's the size of my hand. The palm of my hand. It's humongous. This one did kind of, I mean, it looks a little bit wonky, but that's just how it was when it came out of the package, I guess. Because they had just set this on the shelf. They set a whole little, like a box with styrofoam, and it had different succulents stuck in it. And so they had different ones to choose from, but I really liked this one, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Now this is something I have never seen at Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh my goodness. They seem to be getting a lot of things from Walmart in the Dollar Tree. Has anyone noticed that? So this is by Simple Style, which is also a brand that Walmart sells. But would you look at these? These are so pretty. They're peacock feathers. So pretty. Oh my goodness. They had, like I grabbed two of this maroon color with the feathers down here. And then I grabbed two with the green down here. But they also had some that was like a really bright, like purple, like a fuchsia color. But I just couldn't believe that they had these. And it's a Walmart brand. It's the Simple Style Walmart brand. But I don't know. I couldn't believe it. But this, works. I thought about getting this to put in a wreath that I'm going to be making. So anyway, I thought this was really cool. So I grabbed two of each of those. The next things that I found are in their floral department. And these, it says mini mums, but I don't know. They kind of look like mums in a way, but they are really pretty. So I went ahead and grabbed this maroon red color and then the orange color. Now, these are really pretty. Like, Dollar Tree is doing a really good job with their florals this year. So, I don't know. I thought this was, I'm pretty amazed at their floral this year. So, grabbed one of each of those. The next things that I found are these picks. Now, these are really nice. I could not find, I was trying to find another one like this with the white pumpkin on it. This was the only one they had. This has got a lot of hot glue strings on it. But I just thought these were so neat. And I've never seen anything like these before. And I liked that these little berries that are up here are sort of a muted gray, green color. And then it's got the little white pumpkin and then a pine cone back here. And then this other one is, it's got the orange pumpkin, the pine cone, this sort of orange and yellow colored leaves, and then the little berries up here are the muted orange and yellow type berries. But I thought this was so neat, and it just says that it's fall pick. So these were really pretty. So I am trying to keep my eye out for, I believe they have some other ones that have like pomegranates on them or something. So I'm trying to keep my eye out for those. So I was excited to find this, and I am so ready for fall, guys. So ready. These other two things that I found are it says maple bouquet, and they had these two different ones. I went ahead and just grabbed one of each, and it's got the sort of a dark red colored pumpkin in there with the berries and these fall leaves. So pretty. And then this one has a similar type pumpkin in it. This one's a little more orangey in color, I think. with the fall leaves, but these are so pretty. And I'm excited and can't wait to decorate for fall. So anyway, that is the end of this haul. If you guys like this haul and you like Dollar Tree hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon. I hope that you guys are having a good day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!